Thank you so much for taking a couple minutes of your day to listen in on this short video talking about natural regenerative medicine therapy. Today I am here with Dr. Joseph Sievely at the Center for Natural Health Care in Red Wing, Minnesota. My name is Hope Plack, and today we are talking about regenerative medicine. So, Dr. Sievely, I would like to ask you, what is regenerative medicine?
Hope, regenerative medicine is the evaluation and assessment of the human body to determine and evaluate the health of the cells, particularly through stem cell activation. But regenerative medicine therapy is truly where these cells are rejuvenated and regenerated through specific techniques and protocols that we use in our office naturally that stimulate the regrowth of stem cells and repair of human tissues and body systems.
Dr. Sievely, what kind of conditions does natural regenerative medicine therapy apply to?
It applies really to the whole body, Hope, but specifically we target the knee joint, the shoulder joint from a orthopedic standpoint, because those are common sites, and the hip joint, those are common sites of degenerative changes and areas that need regenerative medicine therapy to rebuild cartilage, rebuild tissue, and to strengthen the body so that natural and normal function can be re-optimized.
And is there any other areas that you treat apart from an orthopedic perspective?
Yes, so there's many. So the digestive system, once it's been injured or damaged, or the thyroid gland and other organ systems of the body can absolutely benefit from regenerative medicine. We use a different approach with those types of organ systems versus an orthopedic approach with a joint, but the same principles apply to heal, repair, and strengthen cellular health, which then allows stem cells to activate and to recover and the body heal and, again, optimize health.
And Dr. Joe, can you tell us from a natural perspective, how would you then evaluate someone for more of an orthopedic condition?
So we would do a comprehensive history and physical examination on the joint, and secondly, we would then use laboratory assessment if the patient chooses to follow up with labs, and we would then begin applying specific chiropractic techniques, acupuncture therapy, traditional Chinese medicine and herbal therapy, nutritional therapy, and a variety of physical therapy or physiotherapy modalities to stimulate the stem cell regrowth and healing of that injured meniscus or knee. You know, Hope, there's on average over 3 million new diagnoses of knee osteoarthritis every year, and of that 300,000 or 3 million diagnoses of osteoarthritis, 200,000 plus have related meniscus tears and ligamentous tears. So regenerative medicine is a great option if a person does not want surgery, does not want knee replacements, hip replacements, shoulder replacements, etc.
And so, Dr. Sievely, then to flip it over to more of an organ system question, how would you then evaluate and treat someone who said, let's say, comes in with a thyroid that has been damaged via an autoimmune condition?
So similarly, we would do a thorough history examination, we do lab testing, and then evaluate their biochemistry and see where areas of system imbalances have been created through past trauma or lifestyle habits that were incongruent with health. And we would then begin giving them a plan and protocol to begin changing their nutrition and diet, their lifestyle habits, their rest habits, their stress habits, as well as nutritional therapy to begin to regenerate and strengthen the body as a whole, specifically targeting, in this example, the thyroid gland. And you know, it can take a period of months for that to happen. People have to be patient, but amazing results are possible. People can view online some of the video testimonials that we have available, Hope. Just going back for a second briefly, for instance, with the knee or the shoulder or hip or the spine, for that matter, we use a variety of approaches, as I mentioned, but in addition to that, the traditional Chinese medicine therapy that we use is related to Way Institute and Way Laboratory. So we use specific herbs that stimulate blood flow that then increase the nutrition and the blood flow to the damaged tissues and stimulating the stem cells, which then dramatically increases health and recovery.
Awesome. Well, Dr. Sievely, thank you so much for sharing just so much great information with us today regarding natural regenerative medicine therapy. If you have additional questions, we would love to answer those for you. You can give our office a call at 651-388-1211, or you can find us on the internet at www.centerfornaturalhealthcareredwing.com. Again, thanks so much for joining us, and we hope you have a beautiful day.